Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the UP commercial tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in comtax.up.nic.in and press enter. You will then be taken into the commercial tax website for the state of UP. Now from the homepage, click on the GST portal that you see at the top section and this will take you into the login portal. Click on Login at the top right corner and now you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Type in the username that you have set up while creating your account and then enter your account password. Then enter the characters that you see underneath within the captcha box and click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on the Forgot Username and the Forgot Password buttons in order to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the UP commercial tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.